ठीक. Welcome to all. Okay. Today we will discuss about the decile. Okay. Let's. In decile, there are two methods. These are D1 and D9. Clear? अच्छा. First write down D1. Okay. First individual series. Individual series. X होता है 5, 6, 9, 3, 2, 8, 4, 11, 32. At first, arrange the data in a ascending manner. Okay, ascending order, that is the 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5s are there? 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 32. Okay, what is the formula of individual series of D1? D1 equal to D1 मतलब decile, decile मतलब divide by 10. Okay, D1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 10th item. Okay, D1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 10th item. Here n equal to number of items. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 numbers are there. Then D1 equal to size of 9 plus 1 by 10th item. Okay. Next, size of 10 by 10th item. Okay. Then size of 10 by 10th, that is equal to how much? 1. Size of one item, 1th item lies with पहला वाला नंबर क्या है? 2. Lies with 2. Therefore, D1 equal to 2. Okay, copy it very fast. Completed? अच्छा. Next, write down. Next, write down another question. Calculate D1. First, write down first. Calculate D1 from the following information. नीचे से नीचे लिखो. X equal to 10, 63, 25, 48, 93, 25, 26, 100, 75. Very fast. Say loudly. No problem. What is the answer? At first, ascending the number, arrange the number in the ascending format. Then after, put the formula. That is equal to size of. Clear? What is the answer? Om. What is the answer? How much? 10. अच्छा. कहते हैं गणेश? Everybody has completed? Satya? How much? Simply put the numbers into the ascending format, then write the formula D1 equal to ohm. Watch here. D1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 10th item. That is equal to size of how many numbers are there? There are 9 numbers are there. Size of 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. Okay. Then the first number of the ascending format will be the answer. Clear? Any doubt on it? Next, discrete series. Discrete series. Listen carefully. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. F equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Clear? Acha. Here also D1 equal to, what is the formula? Size of n plus 1 by 10th item. Okay? No problem. Say loudly. Size of n plus 1 by 10th item. Clear? Acha. Then size of n equal to, here n equal to how much? Total frequency. In the discrete series, n equal to total frequency. How much? 7, 5, 12, 4, 16, 3, 19, 19 to 21. Clear? Lipon. Size of 21 plus 1 by 10th item. Next, size of 22 by 10th item. Next, size of 2.2th item. Acha. Here you have to calculate. Here 2.2th item will lies on which amount? Acha. That's why you have to calculate the CF, cumulative frequency. Clear? Cumulative frequency. Calculate cumulative frequency. First one of the 2. Next 5. Next 40. Next 21. The last number of the cumulative frequency must be equal to the n value. That is the n. Clear? The last value of the cumulative frequency must be equal to the total of frequency. Clear? Acha. ये हला size of 2.2th item lies with, now was the CF column. In 2, is there a 2.2? Acha. In 5? Yes. Around this. यहाँ पर लिखना है D1. ये जो 5 के सीधा जो वेरिएबल है वो होगा D1. तो साइज ऑफ 2.2 आइटम लाइस विथ 5 के अंदर है 2.2. दैट्स व्हाई देयरफॉर D1 इक्वल टू हाउ मच 20. ये जो सीधा है वेरिएबल. क्लियर? एनी डाउट ऑन इट? व्हाट? राइट डाउन. Completed? Next, write another question. Very fast write. Write down another question. Ganesh. Next, calculate D1. Vishwa, is there any doubt? Calculate D1 from the following information. X नीचे नीचे लिखो. X equal to 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down very fast. Who will solve first? Then he will be the most intelligent person. And it's very necessary to solve fast also. $70. Sumaya, how much? Satyajit? All of you completed? Write in a systematic manner, not like this. you have to write the formula, then put the value, then write the answer. Okay, write systematically. Completed? Next. Completed? Next first हो गया individual series, second discrete series, third one is the continuous series. Continuous series. कंटिन्यू सीरीज मतलब क्या होता है, यहाँ पर x है जो वेरिएबल है वो कंटिन्यू फॉर्मेट में रहता है, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, f इक्वल टू 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. ऐसा होता है वेरिएबल और ऐसा होता है फ्रीक्वेंसी. देन यू हैव टू फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट व्हाट, CF कैलकुलेट करो. क्या होता है 2, 6, 9, 14, 20. क्लियर? दैट मीन्स हियर n विल बी 20. Why? Because the last of the cumulative frequency table will be the total frequency of the total frequency. माने यहाँ पर क्या होता है, CF के जो लास्ट होता है वो n के क्या होता है, बराबर ही होता है. इसलिए टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल टू लास्ट नंबर ऑफ द cumulative frequency. Clear? Okay. Then put the formula here. D1 equal to, what is the formula of D1? Size of n plus 1 by 10th atom. ऐसा नहीं है, साइज ऑफ n by 10th atom. यहाँ पर प्लस 1 नहीं होगा. ओके, D1 इक्वल टू साइज ऑफ n plus 1 नहीं होता, n by 10th atom. क्लियर? n plus 1 by 10th atom नहीं होगा, that is the size of n by 10th atom. Then size of n मतलब 20 by 10th atom. Then size of 20 by 10 how much? 2th atom. Lies with 2th atom lies with where? Size of 2th atom lies with यहाँ पर lies with 0 to 20. Clear? Size of 2th atom lies with 0 to 20, around of that. Then you have to write here D1. Clear? Vishwa? अच्छा, next size of 2th atom 0 to 20. Next, अच्छा यहाँ पर क्या होता है, D1 equal to is D1 equal to 0 to 20? No, there is no specific number. That's why you have to put another formula to calculate the D1. Okay, therefore D1 equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 by F into small d1 minus c. Clear? Is there any doubt on the formula? Next यहाँ पर ऐसा लिखना है where कौन सा वैल्यू क्या है, L1 equal to how much? 0. L2 ohm, L2 equal to 20. F 2, कौन सा वाला 2? फ्रीक्वेंसी कलम का जो है 2. क्लियर? अच्छा C 0, यहाँ के ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं, इसलिए अगर इसके ऊपर में कुछ है तो होगा, नहीं तो 0. नीचे में आएगा, नीचे में कुछ है नहीं तो 0. क्लियर? नीचे तो कभी होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऊपर वाला ही है. अच्छा, C इक्वल टू 0, स्मॉल d1 इक्वल टू कौन सा वाला 2? यहाँ वाला 2. क्लियर? All of you keep it in mind. Here suppose size of 1th atom, that means d1 equal to what? 1, not 2. Clear? समझ में आ रहे हैं? अच्छा, d1 equal to 2. Now put the formula. L1 equal to 0 plus 20 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 2 minus 0. That is equal to 0 plus 20 by 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled, 20. 20 is the answer. Therefore D1 equal to 20. Copy it. Is there any doubt on it? Shubham, copy it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, write down another question. Calculate D1. Calculate D1 from the following information. X equal to 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, f इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे बढ़ाते चलो. Do it fast. Do it very fast. Shiva completed? One? 190. Any other answer? Sanjay? Satya? Lipun? Don't write like this. Okay, put the full formula. Size of D, size of n by 10th item, then size of n equal to how much? Put completely. How much? How much? Mansingh? Vishwa? Satyajit? It's a very easy format. Completed? How much? 190. Next. Then 190 is the correct answer. Any other answer? 190. Okay. Completed. Those who has not completed, watch here. At first you have to calculate D1, that is equal to size of n by 10th item. N equal to what? How much? 28. 28 by 10, that is equal to 2.8 item. 2.8. वो क्या होगा? Small D1. 2.8 item lies with where?
100 to 200. 100 to 200.
5 माने 100 to 200. That is equal to L1 equal to 100, L2 equal to 200, F equal to 2, C equal to 1. Now just put the formula. Clear? Is there any doubt on D1?
No, sir.
Next, D9. अच्छा. D9, same case. Simply from individual series. Okay? For individual series, same format. D9 equal to फॉर्मूला होगा, पहले क्या होगा, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना होगा, फिर यहां पर सिर्फ एक ही चेंज करना है. D9 इक्वल टू क्या होगा, इंडिविजुअल सीरीज के साइज ऑफ 9 इंटू n प्लस 1 बाई 10th आइटम. बाकी सब सेम ही है. क्लियर? इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में पहले क्या होगा, पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना होगा, फिर साइज ऑफ 9 इंटू एन प्लस 1 बाई 10th आइटम. 9 इंटू एन क्या होगा, जितना होगा नंबर. ओके, राइट डाउन अनदर क्वेश्चन. x इक्वल टू 5 6 8 9 2 3 4 5 6. Do it first. Put the formula. D9 equal to Satya. Write down first. D9 equal to D9 equal to size of n plus 1 by 9 into n plus 1 by 10th item. How much? D9 is how much? पहले लिखना होगा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. शुभम, हाउ मच आंसर? Wrong answer. Any other answer? Any other answer? Simply last number will be the answer. That is 9. That's why 9 is the correct answer. Wrong, actually I said jokingly. Everybody is the same answer? Okay. That is the size of 9. Simply number देखो D1 में क्या होता है, size of n plus 1 by 10th item, that means first number. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, 9 into n plus 1 by 10th item, that is equal to 9 into 10 by 10, that is equal to 9th item. Size of 9th item, that means last number is the 9. That's why here D9 equal to 9. Next, अच्छा, for discrete series same. डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में भी सेम क्या होगा, पहले एफ एक्स होगा, फिर एफ होगा, फिर सी एफ. फार्मूला सेम ही है, साइज ऑफ 9 इंटू एन प्लस 1 बाई 10th आइटम. लिखो क्वेश्चन. कैलकुलेट D9 फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन. कैलकुलेट D9 फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन. x equal to 10 20 30, f equal to 2 3 5, 2 3 4 लिखो, 2 3 4. जल्दी गणेश, राइट डाउन वेरी फास्ट. रघुनाथ, write systematically, not like this.
30.
How? Size of 9 into n plus 1 by 10th item, that is equal to size of 9th item. Size of 9th item lies with 9. Therefore 9 के मतलब straight में जो होगा variable, how much? 30. That's why D9 equal to 30. लिखो जल्दी जल्दी. क्लियर मनोज? हाँ, कंप्लीटेड. अभी देखेंगे डिस्क्रीट सीरीज, सॉरी कंटिन्यूस सीरीज. कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में D9 कैसे निकालना है, क्लियर. अच्छा देखो सेम क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे D9. बताओ सब. अच्छा तो ये मैं इरेज कर देता हूँ. अच्छा तो क्या लिखेंगे, D9 इक्वल टू क्या होगा फॉर्मूला, 9 इंटू एन बाई 10th आइटम. प्लस 1 नहीं होगा, क्यों, क्योंकि वो कंटिन्यूस सीरीज है. साइज ऑफ 9 इंटू 20 बाई 10th आइटम. साइज ऑफ 9 इंटू क्या होगा 10 बाई दैट इज इक्वल टू 18th आइटम. साइज ऑफ 18th आइटम लाइज विथ दैट इज द 82 and lies with 80 to 100. Clear? That's why here D1 equal to formula same L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by F into D9 minus C. Clear? अच्छा फिर यहाँ पर बताओ L1 equal to क्या होगा 80, L2 equal to 100, F equal to C equal to 14, small D9 equal to how much 18. Clear? Now put the formula. That is equal to 80 plus 100 minus 80 by 6 into 18 minus 14. Clear? That is equal to 80 plus 20 by 6 into 4. Clear? 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. That is equal to 80 plus 40 by 3, 13.33, दैट इज इक्वल टू 93.33. देखो ये जो 93.33 आ रहा है वो कौन सा नंबर बीच में आ रहा है 80 to 100 में आता है कि नहीं. अगर ये होगा 70 आएगा तो रॉन्ग. क्यों? क्योंकि 80 से 100 वो नहीं है. क्लियर? तो यहां से तुम आंसर डिटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो देयरफॉर D9 इक्वल टू हाउ मच 93.33. कॉपी इट. Write down first. Shubham, completed? देखो ये सारे के सारे यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ लिखना है. ओके, without this part your answer is incomplete. Clear? That's why you have to write full formula and this formula also and here this explanation too. Clear? Now write another question. Solve it very fast. Calculate D9. Calculate D9 from the following information. Calculate D9 from the following information. Clear? लिखो x equal to 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 से 100. f लिखो 2, 3, 5, 10. Write down very fast. Solve it very fast. You have to write this explanation here. Okay? Where ऐसा लिखना है. How much? Try to solve at the top of the class. Okay, you have to calculate first. Sumaya, how much? Viswa? $95. Okay, any other answer? 95. Achha, everybody has 95. Then 95 is the correct answer. Clear? All of you have properly understood D1 as well as D9. Now, write राइट डाउन डेसिल रेंज। डेसिल रेंज में फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, D9 माइनस D1। पहले क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, D1 फिर D9 फिर वो दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे D9 से D1। क्लियर। अच्छा नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला कोफिशिएंट ऑफ डेसिल रेंज। कोफिशिएंट ऑफ डेसिल रेंज फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, D9 माइनस D1 डिवाइड बाई D9 प्लस D1। क्लियर, लिखो ये जल्दी। हो गया। अच्छा फिर HW लिखो सभी के लिए, HW कैलकुलेट, यहाँ पर लिखो कैलकुलेट D1 D9 डेसिल रेंज and coefficient of decile range, coefficient of decile range from the following information. From the following information. Question number 1. Write down very first. X 5 6 25 93 75 88 62 46 100. Question number 2. X F X equal to 25 50 75 100 125 155 175 2 3 4 5 6 2 8. Third question. X equal to 0 to 20 22 40 42 60 62 80 82 100 100 to 120 120 to 140. F equal to 6 5 4 3 2 3 7. क्लियर। ये तीनों क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, कॉपी इट वेरी फास्ट। रेड ओके, तो ठीक है आज के लिए इतना ही है। ओके टाटा बाय बाय।